Hi, fifth grade. This is Mrs. Harrison. So we are going to start our very first math lesson for this week. Today is Monday, August 31st. So in an email I sent home to parents and you guys, I wanted you to have your materials for remote learning. And I know for math, I would love for you to have a math notebook, okay? Um, you don't have to write in your math notebook, although I suggest you write in your math notebook. Okay. So typically when we last year, like we had, our notebooks were filled. I think I ended up with some of my students ended up having two notebooks. And these are very important for you so that you can go back and reference any materials or anything that you might need assistance with. So the first thing you're going to do, if you have a notebook at home, I want you to create and write table of contents for math. And then the first thing we're going to do today is going to be place value chart and notes. So I want you to do that on at least 3 sheets of paper, and you'll just write that because, like I said, it's going to be pretty full. Okay. Now our notes for today. So I have a place value chart here. If you can print, I will attach this so you can print it off. If you like to draw, if you enjoy drawing, I drew one down here. So if you want to, go ahead and pause the video, draw your place value chart, and this is going to be something that you can reference for, throughout the year. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, the next part are notes as well. One thing you'll notice is that I love to color code a lot of things, so I will use a lot of color, and that's just so that you guys can see, some important information. So we're going to talk about place value. So these are the notes for place value. If you want to copy these down, you can. I am going to also have a digital notebook that I will keep up with. So Miss Harrison will keep up with it, and then you guys can access it. If for some reason you don't have a notebook yet, or if it's difficult for you to copy back and forth, I will have that notebook for you. But I will say that if you are willing to and you want to start building that habit, you can go ahead and start creating this. Okay. So that's that, and you can go ahead and pause it, and you can type that, or not type it, but you can copy it down in your notebook. Okay, so this is our lesson for today. So we are going to start with place value. So some of the things we're going to talk about is what is place value, and just like in the notes, it's very similar than what you have here. So place value is the position of a digit in a number that is used to determine the value of the digit, okay? So, for example, if I have the number 387, the 8 here is a digit, the 7 is a digit, and 3 is a digit. 387 is the number. So a number is composed of digits, okay? So the place value here, if I look at the 8, okay, what place value, or where is this 8 located? Okay, well, if I look at my chart, either here or the one that we copied down, I know that the 8 is located in the tens place, okay? So I know that 8 has a value of 80 or 8 tens, okay? So here is my chart here. So just to make sure that you guys understood what that was, what I want you to do is go here, and I want you to look at these 3 numbers. Now, in the chart, it says tens place. So here, I want you to tell me what the tens place in each of these numbers. Then I want you to give me the value, okay? Just like right here, okay? Then you're going to do the same thing and find the hundreds place. So where's the hundreds place, for example, located in the number 1222? The hundreds place would be 2. And then what would be the value of that 2. Okay, so the value of this 2 in the hundreds place would be 200, or 2 100s. Okay, then another activity you're going to do, these are some fun riddles. So this says, my 2-digit number has 7 tens, and the ones place is the tens place minus 2. What is my number? Now you're really going to have to read and pay attention to what I'm asking. Well, the first thing I know is that this number is going to have how many digits? 2. Okay, so I'm going to have a 2-digit number here. The next one, I notice it has a 4-digit number. Okay, and I want you to tell me what that number is. And then you're going to do the same thing for a 5-digit number. And then you're going to tell me what that number is. Okay, so my 4-digit number has 3 tens, 4 thousands, the hundreds place is 0, and the ones place is 8. What is my number? My 5-digit number has a value of 0 in both the ones and thousands place. The other values are 1 times 3 plus 4. What is my number? Then you are going to make your own riddles. So give me 3 fun riddles. If you want to make them hard and challenging, you can make them hard and challenging. See if you can stump me, and I will try to figure out what your numbers are. Then I will find everyone's together, and then we can all try to decide if we can guess all of the numbers that you guys created. All right, that's all you have to do for today.